Yesterday we studied various welding defects: undercut, porosity, lack of fusion, cracks, slag inclusion, and lack of penetration. What are various causes, and what remedies should be done to avoid that? That we studied in detail. Today's whole session was for welding defects and discussion. So detailed discussion with anybody want to ask anything? Or mic is open. Somebody's mic is open. Please close that mic. Okay, thank you. Uh, that detail of welding defects we studied. And now we will see various welding positions. At the end of the session, I was telling that every welder would like uh, to weld in the flat position, because this is a natural position and you need not adjust your body. There will not be any stress. There will not be any strain to your body. It is easy. It is natural gravity. Okay, but always it is not possible. For example, if you have one flat plate welded, but now it is connected at side to some other plate, which is now to that vertical plate you are joining something, and you have to go horizontally at site. You have to, so certain parts are coming from your subcontractor and that are to be welded at site. They are directly dispatched, means purchased and directly dispatched as site, क्योंकि वो आपके मैन्युफैक्चरर के पास लाके वो फिर से ट्रक से वहां पहुंचाना ये कौन करेगा? Directly subcontractor will bring that part at particular date to your site. Your for example, your big shell you are manufacturing in your own workshop, in your own fabrication shop, big shell. Now nozzle to that dimension is given to some contractor, and that nozzle he will bring there directly, and you have to weld there. Some lifting mechanisms and other things, ducts, for example. Sometimes spiders you are using, like that, such various components which regarding the fabrication, for example structure for supporting, that you are bringing there directly at site. Now there you have to weld in various positions. The welder is forced to do in various welding positions. Some positions are very awkward, and sometimes it is a combination of various process. So you can see here, this is flat position. Now I will explain you the terminology for this. For example, what is G? G is for groove weld. Okay, so for butt weld means what? Two abutting edges or two corners of the plates are brought together and they are welded. Okay, so they are fusion welded. So this position is known as flat position, and that for that position it is the name 1, and G stands for groove weld and F stands for fillet weld. So 1F position is this. See, if this is the plate, this is the plate, and you are doing some fillet weld, but means this is overlapping. Now here this is overlapping and you are doing fillet weld here, and here what you are doing is groove weld. So this groove is made, V groove is made, edge preparation is made, and that's why the name is G. So 1G, that is flat or down hand position, which is most preferred, but it is not always possible. खास करके welding at site, and also in workshop also, if these components are to be welded to the main body, then also it is not possible. So other welding positions are 2G position, that is horizontal position. Okay, horizontal position. You can see you have to weld horizontally. So this is one vertical plate, and that is to be connected to another vertical plate or extension of certain pieces. Then that is you can see here 2G horizontal, and yeah, this is 2F horizontal, that is fillet weld. F stands for fillet, so it is a fillet weld. Now vertical position is 3G position. 3G up 3G down. Both are okay. So some welder prefer this position, some welder prefer this position, depending upon his practice. Just like in gas welding, you have rightward technique and leftward technique. Like that, here also, if you're doing arc welding, maybe MIG welding, maybe TIG welding, or maybe your MMAW, this 3G up, 3G down. Both these welding positions are popular, and it depends upon the practice of the welder, in which position he is actually means suitable to him, or he is actually comfortable. So it depend on that 3G position. Now 4G position is overhead position, which is known to be most dangerous position. वो जो ऊपर समझो कोई अपना का रूफ का वगैरह काम है, तो उसका वेल्डिंग करते टाइम आप वेल्ड करोगे, और उसके जो स्पैटर जो उड़ते हैं ना, सब वो हम मराठी में कहते हैं ठिणगी 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 पड़तात ना त्याचे, ते जैसे फुलबाजा वगैरह दिवाली का ये होने के बाद ऐसा तड़ 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 करते हैं ना, वो सब स्पैटर, वो स्पैटर बॉडी पे गिरता है। देखो काम कैसा करेगा वो आदमी। तो उसको थोड़ा सा अपना वो सीढ़ी पे सब खुद को बैलेंस करके उधर इलेक्ट्रोड भी दिखाओ, और वो इलेक्ट्रोड और उसका इलेक्ट्रोड होल्डर पकड़ के उसको वो सब काम करना पड़ता है। तो उसको अलग अलग रेंज में काम करना पड़ेगा, मतलब सीढ़ी में एक तो खुद का बैलेंस संभालो, प्लस या फिर अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म वगैरह रहेगा मस्त बनाया हुआ, तो बहुत ही अच्छा है वेल्डिंग प्लेटफॉर्म। एक हाइटेड ऐसा स्टूल रहता है ना, तो वो रहेगा, तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा है, मतलब उसको थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट आएगा, नहीं तो उसका बॉडी पूरा बैक पेन आ जाएगा, उसको कितना काम करेगा ऐसा। तो ऐसा सब उसको कंफर्ट देना ये सुपरवाइजर का, वेल्डिंग इंजीनियर का, शॉप इंजीनियर का, ये फैसिलिटी देने वालों का काम है कि आपका जो ऑपरेटर है उसको आप जितना कम फटीग दोगे, उसको हम लोग जितना इर्गोनॉमिकली अच्छा रखेंगे, उतना आपका काम भी अच्छा होगा, बिकॉज दैट इज अ स्किल्ड वर्क। ओके, तो कोई भी नहीं चाहता कि ओवरहेड पोजीशन आ जाए, लेकिन साइड पे कोई रूफ को वेल्ड करना है तो आपको वो करना ही पड़ेगा। सो दैट इज 4G पोजीशन, 4F पोजीशन अगर फिलेट है तो। सो ये 4G पोजीशन ओवरहेड पोजीशन। अभी एक 5G पोजीशन है, आप बोलेंगे ये क्या है, आप लोग ये 1G 2G ये क्या कर रहे हैं, बोलेंगे आप लोग, जैसा वो 5G वगैरह रहता है ना कम्युनिकेशन, इसमें भी है 5G। 5G यानी इंक्लाइन पोजीशन 45 डिग्री, 45 degree incline position. 5G is a combination of flat and vertical. Flat and vertical का combination ये है, देखो। So 5G position is not so difficult. Actually this 4G को वेल्डर थोड़ा सा तरसता है, नको बाबा बोलता है। As far as possible उसको हम लोग ऐसे फेवरेबल पोजीशन में लाके वहां ज्वाइन करें, लेकिन कभी कभी ना इलाज होता है कि आपको 4G में करना ही पड़ता है। और एक पोजीशन है ये 5G का, अगर ये रॉकेट पोजीशन, रॉकेट प्रोपल्शन पोजीशन यानी 6G पोजीशन भी रहता है, लेकिन कोई कोई बुक में नहीं दिया अपना। जनरली 1G 2G 3G 4G ऐसा रहता है, या फिर 1F 2F 3F 4F ऐसा ही दिया रहता है। इन अमेरिका